Hi, I'm Stacy, and probably just like you, I've been really curious about if it's possible to make money on the internet. Now I know it's true. Those young guys that you've been seeing their advertisements for, whether it's Peng Joon, Kevin David, John Crestani, whether it's money all over the table, whether it's, showing you the Maseratis that they have and the tens of thousands of dollars a day that they're earning with screenshots. And it's true. Those 6 guys or 7 are really hot shits, and they are making big bucks. But does that mean you or I could make that kind of money? Well, that's the question I had. And so, just like you, I'm not an influencer. I'm a person that always found it difficult to learn, but was really good at finding people that were really good at teaching and explaining things that could be made really difficult or could be made really simple. So that's why I'm here. This is my way of making money and at the same time helping you. And you'd say, well, why would you help me? Well, it's real simple. I'm not into the saying that give value, but the truth be told is if you resonate with what I'm saying and I help you decide which of these products solves the problem that you're having in making a decision, because you really want to try this internet stuff, because they are making money on the internet. Every business that didn't have it, a lot of them are going bankrupt. So for you, this may not only help you in the business you're in, but it may be a way for you to earn a couple hundred a day on the side. That's $6,000 a month. Even $100 is $3,000 extra a month. Now that could certainly change your lifestyle. And from there, it can only go up because you got the idea. And once you get the idea, you can do it over and over. And that's what these guys are doing. And then scale. So my whole point is, if you like the way I help you and the product helps you, you're going to like some of the other stuff that I do, because I'm not good at anything, but I'm really good at finding people that are really good at what they can do. And I'm really good at finding people afterwards that can explain it. So what I would like is, if possible, I would like you, if you're daring enough, you can schedule a call with me at 541-236-2537, or you can just drop me an email at b3safe2020@gmail.com. And what I would do then is you would tell me what your strengths are and what your weaknesses are, and what you're thinking of selling or being able to sell on the internet. And then you say to me, I really love Facebook. Well, I've seen Facebook feeds. I've actually bought some stuff that I've seen as advertised on Facebook feeds or Instagram. I understand the advertising. It relates to me, or I'm a Snapchat person, or I really would like to try this, or I can't do Facebook. And I would tell you which of these guys, which of their classes would work for you. And how would I know? Because you've given me your pain points. And why should you trust me? Because if you find that what I tell you works for you, we're going to be friends for life. I've got lots of shit. And look, have you ever met a skinny cook? I just lost 27 pounds in 4 weeks. And I'm making my own offer. So this is the cool thing, is you can try this stuff, and with the guidance that I'm going to offer you, it's really of almost no risk to you. And you might actually be able to pull off that $100 a day extra. And hopefully, from there, it might be 200 or 300. And if you're standing beside your own Porsche, I want you to let me in on it so I can promote your product afterwards. Okay? So click on the link below, or as they say, and I love it, smash it. And let's be friends. Because if we generate capital, or if we make money together, it's going to be a good friendship. So all the best.